Hi there, friends. I'm Eli the Elephant, and boy, do I have an exciting day planned. Yawn! What a beautiful day to explore. Today feels like an E-day. Everything I see starts with E. Let's see what we can find. Whoa! Is that an eggy rolling away? Come back here, you sneaky egg. Oops! I'm getting dizzy from all this chasing. Hey, that egg just bumped into an eagle statue. Eggs, eagles, so many E words. This is excellent. What's that sound? Vroom, vroom. Ooh, an engine, a toy train engine zooming by. Where is all this E stuff coming from? It's like magic.
Hey, Eli, did someone say exciting? Count me in.
Speaking of magic, what's that sparkly thing? Wow, it's the magic letter E. It's floating. And glowing. And wait, am I floating too? Whee! This is electric. Enormous fun. Oh, who's that I see? Is it another E?
Yo, Eli, I'm Eddie, the energetic ear.
An ear that talks? Now I've seen E-verything.
E is the coolest letter ever, Eli. It's an elephant, egg, eagle, engine, ear, and even energy, like me.
Wow, Eddie, you sure know a lot about E.
Want to have some more E fun, Eli?
You bet I do. What did you have in mind?
Let's throw an E party with all our E friends.
Look at all these E words dancing around. Elephant, that's me.
Egg, watch it roll.
Eagle, soaring high.
Engine, choo-choo.
Ear, that's you, Eddie.
And energy, powering our party.
This is the best E-day ever. Wow, friends, the letter E is everywhere, and so much fun. Don't you think so? Remember, every day is an E-mazing day to learn something new. What E words can you find in your day? Think about it.
Or play with an Etch-a-Sketch.
The possibilities are endless. See you next time. Keep exploring the letter E. Bye!